Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, this is a follow-up to a earlier video. I found this 666 body in a box of parts last week, and it was missing the front bezel. And so just as a quick how-to video, I did a quick video on how to get these things running if you only have the shell itself. So what you do is you take a standard Marx single reduction motor and you pull off the front mounting bar and you turn it around backwards, and that will allow a standard Marx motor to mount in a 666 body. The problem, of course, was I was missing the front bezel completely. And the 666 bezel is held in on both sides with a screw and has the light bulb mounted to the back of it. So you've got to have it. So anyway, I couldn't find a 666 bezel, but I found a 1666 bezel. Now, the difference, of course, is the bezel on the 1666 has a mounting screw there. On the 666, the mounting screw is there. So there's just two flat bars that run inside the body right here, attached to this bezel. So I just re-drilled two holes and I tapped them. These are 440 screws. And the 1666 bezel fits it like it was made for it. So just want to do a really quick video on a follow-up of how do you build something out of nothing. In this case, you have a Marx 666 shell, but it takes a special motor mount. And the entire front of the motor mount on a 666, especially if it's a smoker, is all cast zinc and fills up this entire space. So if you try to put a single reduction motor in it, it puts the screws way up here. So what I did is I just turned the mounting bar around backwards and stuck it back on the motor, and that brings the screw holes in line with the existing holes in the body. It's a really, really simple way to take a genuine piece of junk and turn it into a running engine. So the total cost of this thing so far has been $4, which is what I paid for that front bezel. So about, I don't know, half hour working on it. And this old 666 that came in a box of parts is up and running. And I put a pre-war motor in it. So it's going to be interesting to run this. It's just the idea that, I mean, this thing was junk. It was just made out of parts. But, as I always stress, you can do this on a shoestring if you're willing to put a bit of work into it. So a Marx 666 built strictly from parts, front bezel from a 1666, up running with a working headlight. And it has a pre-war motor in it. So a really simple way to get a working locomotive if you start with nothing but a bunch of parts. And is it perfect? Nope. Is it correct? Nope. The thing is, it runs. That's the really neat thing about it. And it costs nothing. It came in a box of parts. So I spent $4 to find a bezel, had the motor, like I said, just turn that front crossbar around backwards, and a single reduction motor will drop directly into the 666. And if you want to put that bezel on there, you only have to re-drill two holes. It's really, really simple to do this. So just wanted to do a quick video as a follow-up. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.